English phrases explained. What's a snack bar? Hello learners! Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard before, snack bar. Whether you're traveling, watching movies, or reading a book, this is a term you'll come across. Let's understand what it means and how to use it. The phrase, snack bar, consists of two words, snack and bar. 1. Snack. A small portion of food eaten between meals. It's usually smaller than a regular meal and is often considered quick and easy to prepare and eat. Examples include chips, nuts, or a piece of fruit. 2. Bar. This can have multiple meanings in English, but in this context, it refers to a counter or a place where food or drinks are served. When combined, snack bar refers to a place where light meals or snacks are served, often in a casual or quick setting. 1. At the cinema, when you go to watch a movie, the place where they sell popcorn, nachos, and drinks. That's a snack bar. 2. In resorts or beaches. Some beaches or pools have a small counter where they sell ice creams, drinks, and light meals. Again, that's a snack bar. 3. Public places. In train stations, airports, or public attractions, you might find a snack bar where you can grab a quick bite before continuing with your journey. To help you understand better, here are some example sentences. 1. I'm a bit hungry. Let's check out the snack bar before the movie starts. 2. The snack bar by the beach offers delicious ice creams and cold drinks. 3. Even though it's called a snack bar, they offer some hearty sandwiches and salads. So there you have it. The phrase, snack bar, isn't just about snacks. It's a place where you can get quick bites and refreshments. Now, the next time you come across this term, you'll know exactly what it means. We hope this explanation has been clear and helpful. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.